Alright, I had this writ of habeas corpus in. It's number 84662. Dear Mr. Muncy, I have your letter from June 20th, 1989. I called your writ application on June 15th, which is the day after I get chained up and hauled out, and was advised that you were no longer incarcerated in Humboldt County Jail, and consequently, the matter was moot, or booted, whatever the hell you want to call it, and dismissed without prejudice. It does appear from the face of the documents that you provided me that you have an arguable good ground of a writ of habeas corpus. This court cannot hear this matter, however, because you are no longer incarcerated in this jurisdiction. Of course, I'm still in prison and they can get rid of me. I would suggest that you file a writ of habeas corpus in the county where you now reside, which was DBI San Joaquin County, California. That writ might be transferred to the county of your sentencing of Del Norte. Del Norte, how to say it. I believe you would also have the right to file your application for a writ of habeas corpus in Del Norte County, although I'm not sure. Perhaps you may obtain some legal advice from the authorities from Tracy. I'm sorry I cannot help this matter. Very friendly yours, Judge Michael Brown, Superior Court of Humboldt County. So, I filed a writ of habeas corpus again while I'm in prison because I'm mooted. I'm booted and shitted. Here we go. Mark Muncy versus People of California. Case action number 89048-C. Petition for writ of habeas corpus. District Attorney requests that the writ be discharged as defendant is not in this jurisdiction. Now, this is Frank S. Peterson, presiding judge. He was already retired at the time. And the reporter, Laurie Hodge, which she no longer exists. But we have this crime fighter here whose name is, where is it? Well, it don't matter. He's in a lot of other shit. But, this is the court, this is my court of sentencing. And the judge that sentenced me, who is now retired at the time of this request while I was incarcerated in prison because I was no longer in Humboldt County Jail, says, this is what it says. As the court does not have jurisdiction, the petition for a writ of habeas corpus is denied. Well, there goes my... So, that was, let me see the date there. This is date of July 14th of 89. Okay? Because, this goes on, this is a 2-year trip.
Are you still in jail and you were sentenced when?
88.
For 18 months?
16.
For 16 months.
Yeah.
This is 89.
That's 89. Yeah, here, you can have that. That's just proof in the mail. All right, here we go. I filed, at the same time, after I've been denied for jurisdiction, I've been mooted and booted. Now, I filed in Del Norte County. San Joaquin County, while I was still in DVI, in matter of Mark A. Muncy, petitioner for writ of habeas corpus, case number 45236. This is what they got to say. This is the only honest answer I feel that my whole time that I did anything. And here's what the judge said. Petitioner is incarcerated in Dual Vocational Institute. He alleges that at the hearing where he entered a plea of, at the time, he pleaded guilty to cultivation of marijuana. He was not advised of the mandatory parole term to be imposed under Penal Code Section 3000. In violation of his due process rights, he further alleges that he made his guilty plea unknowingly and involuntary pursuant to and recovery, 1983, 144, California Appellate Court, 3rd edition, 927, 193, Cal Reporter, 65, and controversy McCarthy, 9th Circuit, 1986, 806, F2D, and 1373. He alleges that he has served more than his full sentence, that he should be released from incarceration, free from imposition of parole under Penal Code Section 3000, pursuant to the court's mandate and Carter v. McCarthy Supreme. However, petitioner has not presented a prima facie case for relief, since he has not provided a record sufficient to inform the court of the amount of time served or the reasons for his current incarceration. Well, petitioner may file a petition for a writ of habeas corpus in any jurisdiction within the state. If the petitioner sets forth a prima facie case for relief, the court may transfer the petition to a more appropriate court. For a quicker resolution of a plea of sentencing challenge, petitioner should file in the court which entered the plea of, or pronounced the sentencing, which was Del Norte, which was already denied. If the petitioner's current incarceration is for parole violation, for a speedier resolution, the petition should be filed in the jurisdiction in which the judgment was entered for the parole violation. For this reason, set forth above, this petition is denied without prejudice, dated August 24th, 1989. Judge F. Chunksford, or whatever his name is, from Superior Court and whatever. Okay, I got released from Del Norte County Jail. I mean, well, DVI. And I explained all this to my parole officer. Well, he says, good luck. I took off. I absconded. I'm guilty of it. But, like, now I want to turn around and talk about when I turn around and file this other one in the county that I was sentenced in, the Superior Court of State of California for the county of Del Norte County. Again, this is the home of Supermax, Del Norte, Pelican Bay Prison. Mark A. Muncy petitioner, Department of Corrections responded. Here's an order to show cause. It says the respondent shall show cause by return in this file court within 30 days after date of filing of this order. Why relief to me sought by me in this petition of files herein should not be granted. Within 30 days after service of filing of the return, the petitioner may serve on the respondent a file or a transverse. Failure to return a transverse may be deemed to the court be admission of the allegations of their return, which I did this and that, I did it. Now, here we come to the tricky part. This is the cunningness of Del Norte County, the people of Pelican Bay State Prison. This copy here, signed by Vicki Frazier, Mark A. Muncy, P.O. Box 30, Crystal City, California, to Marvin Link, Deputy Attorney General, Department of Justice, Office of the Attorney General, 455 Golden Gate Avenue, San Francisco, California. Well, this paper here, I didn't get this until I get out of Folsom.